Hey there, future millionaires. Are you curious about the ultimate wealth strategy for 2024? Well, stick around because today we're diving into how real estate can pave the way for you to make millions. Welcome back to the channel where we're all about securing your financial future. Today, we're going to discuss the power of real estate as a wealth-building strategy and why it's so crucial for the years ahead. Planning your finances for a secure future in 2024 is crucial in today's ever-changing economic landscape. With the uncertainty of the job market, rising costs of living, and potential economic downturns, it is more important than ever to have a solid financial plan in place. The first step in planning your finances for a secure future is to create a budget. Take the time to track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back on spending. This will help you see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your strategy, 2024 is the perfect year to take control of your finances and build a solid foundation for long-term security. Let's get started. 1. Set clear financial goals. Step 1. Define your goals. Short-term goals. These include saving for a vacation, paying off a small debt, or building an emergency fund. Typically, these goals are achievable within 1 year. Medium-term goals. Goals like buying a car, saving for a down payment on a house, or funding a wedding. These usually span 1 to 5 years. Long-term goals. These include retirement savings, funding children's education, or buying a second home. These goals take more than 5 years to achieve. Step 2. Prioritize your goals. Categorize by importance. Decide which goals are most important and need immediate attention. Time frame. Assign a timeline to each goal to keep yourself on track. 2. Create a realistic budget. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. Income. Include all sources of income, such as salary, side hustles, and investments. Expenses. Track all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. Step 2. Categorize expenses. Fixed expenses. These are necessary monthly expenses like rent, utilities, and loan payments. Variable expenses. These include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. These can fluctuate each month. Discretionary spending. These are non-essential expenses that you can cut back on if needed. Step 3. Adjust and optimize. Cut unnecessary costs. Identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure you save before spending. 3. Build an emergency fund. Step 1. Determine the amount. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Step 2. Choose the right account. High-yield savings account. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account to earn interest while keeping your money accessible. 4. Manage debt wisely. Step 1. Understand your debt list. All debts. Make a comprehensive list of all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. Step 2. Create a repayment plan. Debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first to save on interest payments. Step 3. Consolidate and refinance. Consolidation. Consider consolidating multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Refinancing. Refinance high-interest loans to lower rates to reduce monthly payments. 5. Invest for the future. Step 1. Understand investment options. Stocks. Invest in individual stocks for potential high returns. Bonds. Consider bonds for more stable, fixed returns. Mutual funds and ETFs. These offer diversification and are managed by professionals. Real estate. Investing in property can provide rental income and potential appreciation. Step 2. Diversify your portfolio. Spread risk. Don't put all your money into one investment. Diversify across different asset classes to manage risk. Step 3. Maximize retirement accounts, 401k and IRA. Contribute to retirement accounts, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. Roth IRA. Consider a Roth IRA for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. 6. Protect your assets. Step 1. Insurance. Health insurance. Ensure you have adequate health insurance coverage. Life insurance. Consider life insurance to protect your loved ones. Disability insurance. Protect your income in case of illness or injury. Homeowners renters insurance. Protect your home and belongings. Step 2. Estate planning will. Create a will to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Trusts. Consider setting up a trust to manage your assets and reduce estate taxes. Power of attorney. Designate someone to make financial and medical decisions if you become incapacitated. 7. Monitor and adjust your plan. Step 1. Regular reviews. Monthly check-ins. Review your budget and expenses monthly to stay on track. Annual reviews. Assess your financial goals and investment portfolio annually to make necessary adjustments. Step 2. Adapt to changes. Life events. Adjust your financial plan for major life events like marriage, children, or a new job. Economic conditions. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on economic changes and market conditions. Next, it is important to establish an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. This fund will provide a financial safety net in case of unexpected expenses or job loss. In addition to an emergency fund, it is also important to save for retirement. Consider contributing to a 401k or IRA to take advantage of tax benefits and employer matching contributions. Start saving for retirement as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest and maximize your savings. Another important aspect of planning your finances for a secure future is to pay off high-interest debt. Focus on paying off credit card debt, personal loans, or any other high-interest debt to free up more money for savings and investments. Investing is another key component of financial planning. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Insurance is also an important aspect of financial planning. Make sure you have adequate health, life, disability, and property insurance to protect yourself and your loved ones in case of unexpected events. Lastly, review and update your financial plan regularly. Life changes, such as marriage, children, job changes, or health issues, can impact your financial situation. Adjust your plan as needed to stay on track towards your financial goals. By following these steps and creating a solid financial plan, you can feel more confident about your financial future in 2024 and beyond. Take the time to assess your current financial situation, set goals, and create a plan to achieve them. With careful planning and discipline, you can build a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've discussed today. Real estate has the potential to generate substantial wealth, offering a stable and lucrative investment option in uncertain times. Strategic investing in properties can open doors to financial freedom and secure your future for the long haul. If you found this information valuable and want to delve deeper into real estate investment tips and strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. We'd love to hear from you, so share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with a single step, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.